Anyari, Frosty? Frankie. Diyos ko, paano ako matatapos nito? Paano matatapos si Mami nito, anak? She's
Swimming or what?
He's What happened to them?
Is there
Sige.
something in the clothes became like that or what?
I don't know. To make them very, very happy. Nag-aayos ako. Pero sila naman, tingnan nyo, ha? Nagpapakitang gilas. Frosty, anyari, mama? Frankie. Uy! Slowly, lap.
I cannot move my finger even.
I don't know what's inside. Why they smelling in the floor? Frankie Frost, what happened, mama? Huh? Aray. Kalas, mama. See? Kalas, love.